Okay, so hi dear Virgo, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a health and career reading for all the Virgo Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the mid of September 2025. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Virgo, let's start with your health. We have the Three of Pentacles. With the help of someone, with the help of maybe you are going to join a community, maybe you are going to have a partner workout or partnership with somebody, collaborating with somebody in order to achieve the target of your health. Let's say, for example, you are hiring a personal trainer for your gym thing so that you can achieve the goal, like whatever you are working on. But it's a teamwork, it's a team effort, and or you should be like working in a community, working in collaboration or partnership with somebody to get your health back on track. For some of you, if you're waiting for some kind of health results, there are very good chances that they're going to be positive. I don't see anything big happening here. Might be minor mild issues that you will be able to control with the help of a good nutritionist or dietitian or a good doctor. It's like basically it's something that you can work on, and if you are going to put in the effort and energy from your side in collaboration with somebody, taking help from somebody, your health is going to improve in in a very positive way. So keep on doing that. For some of you, if you are already taking therapy or you are going to a psychologist or someone, please don't stop that, because it's working out for you right now. You might not be able to see the positive results, but you will be able to see that soon. Okay, especially if there are only 3 4 sessions left, or if you are on the verge of having a breakthrough. So keep on doing the good work, and your health is going to improve in leaps and bounds in a positive way. You might need some help from the outer world, from other people, or you can join a community group of people, hire a personal trainer, or connect with somebody on a personal level, and you are going to have good health. Good guidance. Here is the Two of Cups. You have to make a promise, you have to make a vow with your health that you are not going to leave yourself unattended. You are not going to take your health for granted. You are going to fall in love with yourself with each passing day, more and more and more. If you're going to fall in love with your health, Virgo, everything else becomes quite easy for us to deal with. Health is not only physical health, it's about mental, emotional, physical and spiritual health. Spiritual health, a lot of people don't care about it that much, but our mental, emotional health and physical health are good. Our spiritual health is almost good. We are there. For that we have to work separately, but for the time being, the guidance here is you have to fall in love with yourself the way you are right now. And now you have to promise yourself that you are going to get better and better and better for your own sake. Okay. Good. Let's see if you are doing a job or working for somebody else. Let's see how it is going to be for you guys, Virgo. King of Wands. Wow. You are going to be on the roll. It's like you are going to have a lot of energy. People are going to get attracted to you, to the kind of work you do, the energy you are going to show. It's like you are going to be very passionate about your work, and you are going to feel like I'm going to give my best. You are ready to take certain kind of risks also in order to achieve something meaningful for you, in order to achieve your goal when it comes to your career area. And the energy you are going to show, the work you are going to put in your career, it's going to show you extremely good results, and people are going to get inspired by you and influenced by you in a very positive way. Maybe some people are going to take advices from you to how to be this much passionate and this much good in your work. Okay, so you are going to be appreciated for your energy, for your efforts and for your work. and you are going to feel like a little bit at the top of the world, and you're going to feel like, okay, I'm on the right track and I am going to make it happen. You have a goal. You might be like working for something from quite a long time now. Now you have a goal, now you have a mission, and you're working on that, and you're actually working really, really good. Awesome. If you're feeling lack of energy from some few days in your career area, it will come back eventually. You are going to feel like, okay, I have to do it and I will achieve it no matter what. Okay. The guidance is the death card. Okay, the change. Okay, honey, you have to understand the change is the only constant. Nothing remains the same. Something in your career area is shifting big, big, big time. It's not the same as it used to be, and it is never going to be. Maybe it's your energy towards your goal, maybe your responsibility or your role, maybe something is changing, something is shifting that you were not ready for, maybe. But if you are going to, like learn this one mantra that change is the only constant and nothing is permanent, not this job, not me, not this earth, everything is changing. Okay, then you will be able to have more control over things, over your career. You're a Virgo, you want everything perfect, and imperfection is illusion. Perfection is illusion, big, big, big time. And you have control issues. A lot of Virgo I have seen in my life, they want to control each and everything in their life, including other people too. That you have to work on right now here also. You cannot control each and everything in your life. Your job also, give your best, do your best, and let the universe do its job. Whatever is meant for you in whatever way possible is going to come to you. Rewards, appreciation, like uh, okay, salary hike, promotion, whatever you are wanting to have, it will, but maybe not the way you want it. That you have to be flexible about. Let's see what we have for those who are working for themselves, like self-employed or business people, how it is going to be for you guys. Knight of Swords, it's like sudden unexpected changes. Something is going to happen so unexpectedly or suddenly that you will not be able to just handle it properly. Beware of taking any kind of decision, or beware of making any kind of choice, or taking any kind of action in restless energy. It's like very sudden and unexpected kind of changes. Maybe you have to pay something suddenly that you were not prepared for. Let's say you haven't paid your taxes, or you haven't filed your taxes, and now suddenly you have to do it because otherwise your business is going to suffer or something like that. It's like something that you have to take care of immediately. It's not going to be something disastrous or something that's going to shut your business down or something, but it is going to be a little bit of hunch in the road, a little bit of obstacle on the road, where you have to take care of something immediately. Okay, guidance here is the Four of Swords. My God, see, guidance here is the Four of Swords. So before going towards something in this restless energy, or I'm going to do this as quickly as possible, I'm going to crack this, blah blah blah, try to take a step back, understand the best way possible that you can handle this situation with. If you feel like you can take help from somebody who can help you to navigate through this process more calmly and peacefully, Virgo, do not take any kind of action, don't make any kind of decision in this much rush or hurry, or in this much uh, what we call this restless kind of energy. Please don't do that, because otherwise it's going to be more complicated for you to deal with in the coming future. So relax, take a few breath, hmm? Take a breath and understand what you should do in this situation properly and honestly, with peaceful energies. Okay, let's see for those of you who are job seekers or start trying to start their new business, how it is going to be for them, Virgo. Six of Wands. Wow, you guys are going to get a very good opportunity to rise and shine. You might be able to get this opportunity that's going to make you famous, or it's going to be something that's going to make you feel like you can become famous, or you can have a very good future in your work area, in your career area. For some of you, you are going to get some kind of work in the industry where the stage is there. Maybe modeling industry, acting industry, film industry, you can say. But whatever you are, whatever this is definitely going to give you the vibe of you can become famous one day. You can have name and fame and success. And might be you are putting in the hard work and effort in this direction from maybe 6 to 7 months or so. You will be able to finally be successful and victorious in finding a new job or starting a new business, and you're going to feel very happy about it, like finally I got it, finally I'm doing it. And you're going to be quite excited about your future. Awesome, it's like brand new opportunity coming in. For some of you, you might be working with someone very famous, or under someone who is very famous. That's going to make you famous also in the coming future. Awesome. For you, the guidance here is the Five of Wands. It's going to be a very highly competitive kind of thing that you are going to enter in. So have that mindset that you have to be in this energy of being prepared for all the challenges and obstacles that are going to be there for you with this kind of career opportunity or work opportunity. It's not going to be an easy breezy road, like it's like a, um, you know you cutting like the butter. It's not going to be easy like that. Nope. It's going to be full of challenges and obstacles and competitive energies. You have to be prepared for that. You have to go ahead with that kind of mindset, that you have to go through a lot before you are going to actually get a hold of this thing for a long period of time. Yeah. You might get the opportunity, very good chances, very high chances. In fact, it's a very good opportunity, but it is going to come with a lot of challenges and responsibilities that you have to take care of, okay. Let's see for the finances thing what we have for Virgo. Seven of Swords. Oh my god, some kind of scam can happen, some kind of fraud can happen. Don't invest your money into something that you know is fishy, or maybe somebody is going to tell you a scheme that is going to double your money in 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. Don't fall in any kind of trap or scam. You are going to lose your money to a scammer, to a fraudster, if you are not going to be aware of it, you know. So financially, you have to be aware of these kind of fraud and scam kind of energies. Now don't lose your sleep over this. If your money is safe, if it is in bank and FDN or in long term investments, you're fine, just chill. But if you are one of those people who get excited by Ponzi schemes, or earn money quickly, or being in a scam, in being in this energy of, okay, let's double the money overnight, be aware of those energies, because you are going to lose your money, very high chances of it. And if you are trying to scam or fool somebody, don't do that. It's going to backfire big, big, big time. So any kind of scheme or any kind of wanting to have money quickly kind of scheme, kind of thing, is not going to work out in your favor. It's a warning, it's a red flag. The guidance here is the Tower. You have to break the illusion, you have to get out of the illusion, you have to see the truth and the reality of the situation as soon as possible, with as much clarity as possible. Otherwise, it's going to be a shit show for you guys, Virgo, and you will not be able to sort it out properly. You might end up losing a lot of money and respect too. if you are the one trying to get it from, from sources that you should not be using. Maybe it's not going to be an immediate thing, like immediate result, but you will eventually face the consequences of this thing. Yeah? Please take care of this. Okay. So thank you so much for tuning in, Virgo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.